Good morning and welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. A lot of times people don't know exactly what we do. Even our longtime clients will go, "Oh, I didn't know you did that." So I thought I'd just give you a tour of the shop this morning to show you a little bit of the variety of the things that we do here. So first of all, we have a 2003 Toyota Solara. It has an oil leak, which is from the oil pump. When an oil pump leaks, it leaks pretty bad, so it makes quite a bit of mess. Secondly, we have a 2015 Infiniti Q60 here, and we have a number of different services that we do. I don't like to use the word oil change. This one is in for what we call our level 2 service, which is an oil change, a tire rotation, and a very good thorough inspection. If you're familiar with our digital inspections, they're awesome. Next on our list is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. This car has a couple of issues. One is it had an air conditioning problem, and that was from the AC condenser, which is up front. It also had a steering issue, which is the coupler down in the column. And lastly, we're putting some rear shocks on it. Next, as you can see pulling out of the bay, is a 2015 F-150. It came in for a check engine light and engine running rough, and Ray's in the process of diagnosing that right now. Next, we have a Toyota Tacoma, which is another oil leaker, and I don't think we've checked that one out yet. That's next on Ray's docket. Probably the most interesting one in the shop today is a 2019 GMC Sierra. And what it has is water intrusion, which means when it rains, it leaks inside the cab, or when he goes through a car wash or something like that. A lot of stuff to take apart to find out where that leak's coming from. It's been very frustrating for the client. So hopefully we can get them good, clean and dry, and no mold smells and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching. I appreciate the trust that all of these people have put in us to work on their vehicles. And I hope this helps you understand a little bit more about the variety that we do here at Mercie J. Till next time, safe travels and blessings to you.